Okay, now we went downstairs. Now let's go upstairs. Can you show me the upstairs? Thank you for not touching the wall. Here's the upstairs.
Hey, I found something.
You did?
Wait here. Watch how I can fall.
Oh, cool.
Watch.
So there's a deck off of this room
Woo.
outside. Little window seat.
This is how I lay down.
I'm standing in what'll be the living room.
This is how I lay down.
There's a closet and a half bathroom.
Look it.
And there's Lily laying down.
And then
Some shelves, and then this will be the dining room. And here's the kitchen. Very nice. And there's a pantry straight ahead through there. We'll need to get some shelves. Okay, Lily, take me all the way up. Coming?
you know what?
You coming, honey? Now this is the crow's nest, I guess.
Right now. I'm coming.
Okay. And this is all the way upstairs, where our couch and probably a TV will go.
I'm coming.
Lily, do you love your new house?
Yes.
Is it super awesome?
What do you like about it?
What's the best part? The empty space, probably.
What do you like about the house the best? What's your favorite thing about the new house?
You're not gonna tell us, are you?
Anything.
Everything?
No, anything.
Anything?
Billy!